This town was dying, until a miracle arrived on delicate wings. A child's discovery changed everything. Thousands of butterflies hidden in plain sight. Scientists confirmed it. These endangered butterflies could save the town. Hope took flight as the town rallied behind a new vision. With butterflies at its heart, the town transformed before their eyes. The first butterfly festival brought thousands, tourists, families, and a bright new future. What was once a ghost town is now a thriving eco-paradise. One small discovery, a town reborn, and a lesson for us all. Protect nature and it protects us. Subscribe to Imagine Good for more incredible real-life transformations.